Hello everyone, welcome to the See More for Happy Life channel. Today's video shows how to make a cute and unique snake ring with 1mm and 0.33 meters wire. This style is very versatile and can be made into rings, pendants, earrings, etc. Since I mainly focus on the winding steps, I did not explain them in the video. Metal winding is more challenging than wax rope winding for making jewelry because thin wires break easily and thick wires hurt your hands, so you need to be very patient during the process. Actually, no matter what handicraft you do, the most important thing is patience. I am super patient, so I thrive in the world of handicrafts and enjoy it even though my hands hurt every day. Materials and tools. Materials for a ring: 1 piece natural opal, 7 cm, 3 pieces natural freshwater pearls, size 3 emitters, 14K gold-filled wire of 1mm and 0.33mm thickness. Tools: you need a lot of tools, including wire cutters, side nose pliers, 6-section wire pliers, and especially a pair of plastic side nose pliers. A ring mandrel is useful, but if you don't have one, you can use your fingers instead. Cut a piece of 1mm thick 14K gold-filled wire, 40 cm long. Fold it in half from the middle and make sure to keep the arc. This is where the opal will be placed. Put the opal in place to see if the size is right. The size of this teardrop-shaped ring is slightly smaller than the opal. It needs to be bent upwards at about the thickness of the opal to press down the back of the opal stone. If you are worried that the two sides will not be folded symmetrically, you can use a pen to make a mark on the metal wire before folding it. After the outer frame is completed, you need to start winding the wire with 0.33mm thick 14K gold-filled wire. At the beginning, the stone is not fixed well and can easily fall off. You can use tape to hold it in place, which will facilitate the work at the beginning. To start winding, we need a 0.33mm thick wire that is about 40 cm long. It is easier to start winding from the middle. If the wire is too long, it will be more difficult to handle. As shown in the video, start from the front of the snake head and remember to wrap the wire behind the snake head to the middle position on both sides of the snake head to secure the opal. The same applies to the two sides of the snake head. Add a pearl at the connection between the snake head and the body. After winding the snake head, wind the body of the snake in a 3+3 pattern. The winding requires 2.5 meters of 0.33mm thick 14K gold-filled wire. This requires a lot of patience, otherwise the wire will tangle and pull apart. Please watch the video. I think it explains the process better than my words. Start winding the snake body using the 3+3 winding method. We need 2.5 meters of 0.33mm thick 14K gold-filled wire. After the snake body is done, when adjusting the ring, be sure to bend it slowly from large to small, and don't press it to the required size all at once. Otherwise, it is easy to make mistakes. After the ring is adjusted, add 2 pearls on the snake's tail, and finally, cut off the excess winding wire and hide the wire ends. 14K gold-filled wire is more expensive and difficult to work with. If you want to practice, it is recommended to use copper wire of the same specification. How about it? It won't be too difficult. You can try it too. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, and share to support me in making more great DIY videos.